Yo, what's up? We're bowling the PBA Elite League. This is going to be round 5 and 6 tonight, I believe, which means we're tied for second right now. If we win a couple matches, we should be at least tied for second and hopefully first. The way the Elite League works, after all 14 rounds, which means we'll bowl every team twice. After all 14 rounds, they will take the top 6 out of 8 teams, so 2 teams won't get to go to Portland, Maine, and the other 6 will. So hopefully, the higher up you qualify, the better off you are once you get to Maine. So hopefully, we can win some matches tonight and have a high seed going into Maine and just put ourselves in better position for the rest of the season. Do you find the in-between zone to be like death? Dang. Hey, who's got the best team on paper? It's not their team. Top to bottom titles. Right. Who has the most titles? Is it EJ and Simo's team? Literal cheerleaders in the building.
BJ Moore, Chris Barnes, Marshall Kent, Packy Henry, Kingpins managers Carolyn Dorn Ballard and Dale Ballard Jr.
Regional champ Thomas Keiko. Get it right. All right, do I get a couple more shots to warm up? Or? It's your issue. Start striking more. Yeah.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Good shot.
Oh, do it.
Wow. Parker ripping the big ball off the
Parker
crack.
calling his number again. I like
They only have 5 this week. Hello.
Not anything else going.
My fingers are freezing always. Shot. Come on. I got you. I thought my look was good, but I didn't watch BJ's ball miss the back of the apron.
Got the biggest strike ball of all of us.
Agreed.
Get off it.
And then, of course.
Yep.
All right. There you go. All right, good shot. Good shot. Shot, Marco. There you go, Kelly. There you go. You said, all right.
All right. It's pretty close, actually. I was surprised.
New merch. Nick's gonna model for you. Ooh, the Guest House Podcast. Shoot, Nick, look at you. Damn, maybe we'll give a Guest House Podcast 10% off code just for everybody out there. Shoot. It's just like when he throws the ball. Yo! Come on. Me, dude.
I didn't see your back wall.
Hi, boys.
That's better. There you go, BJ. There you go, BJ. Good shot.
Nice pitch out there.
Good shot. That's a good shot. Yeah, baby, come on.
Attaboy.
Good shot, kid.
Great
Good shot. Good shot.
Great work.
Good shot. I get to listen to slow country. What is this?
And I gotta try and cheer to this.
Also, you get there and you're like, well, we only do have like 14 matches, so it does matter.
Yeah. No, I get it. Tell me you had no win, so, you know, good.
Yeah. 0-1's a whole lot different than...
It's the first frame!
There you go. Shot. Seven, and this one looked like it was going to run over the 8. Hook, hook, hook. right.
If he's not bowling or whatever,
Really?
I'll be there if you need to be there. We only have one match there, but our other one got flexed to master. Get up. Darren. Come on, Rick.
There we go. Good shot. Great shot
There
there.
he is.
Hook.
Cool.
All right.
Come on, get to him.
All right, come on.
We got you.
We got you. Hook. Jesus. All right. All right.
Run down.
That's a good leap. Come on. Come on.
BJ, come on.
Attaboy. All right, come on, BJ. Line that thing up. Hook. Hook. Hit it. All right. All right. All right, good shot, Beach. Yeah, a little slower and actually let it hook. I didn't feel like I had it because I shot about, my high game was 250 and my low game was 230. I just 7-pin 3 times a game. That's money. Hook, 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 hook. Yo! Come on now. Come on now. Give me one more going.
Slap hands! Slap hands! Slap hands! Slap hands!
Is that the same thing to yours? You threw that, I was like, hook?
Oh, mine was a little bit slower. I knew it was gonna
Yeah, no, but I was gonna say, but the speed was right to actually get it.
Right.
All right, right here, Marshall. Yo. All right. On the spare. You good?
All right.
All right. All right, Dom. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. We'll take it. We'll take it. Could be. Yeah, that's better. There you go.
It should have its own season. That would be really
Like a summer.
That's not bad.
Good shot. Good shot there.
2 zip codes.
Come on now. That was in between. I wasn't sure about that one. That was like actually a good shot.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
Well, 3 back.
That's a good. That's good.
Deal.
Yo, the 7th pin. All right, come on now. Oh, they'll fall when they need to.
Yeah, it's even. I mean, they've thrown it reasonably well as also. So.
That was
Heart attack.
that was left. Push a lot. All right.
Good line.
Let's piece together a better back half of this game. These strikes on Thomas.
Yeah.
Good ball roll, right? Has to have.
Short. He was good at everything.
Up. Yo, all right. We'll take it. We'll take that. Did he think that was good? Off his hand, I was like, that is a left. Or hooking early, and I don't know which one. Could be both. Come on now, give us a good one here. By the way, you can't steal my head like that.
The stuff 9.
Yeah, that's my head.
I don't want your head if that's your head.
Push. Ew. Great shot. Great shot.
Come on.
God, fast. That was a good shot, so fast. Like 220.
Yeah.
Push. Shot, BJ. Shot, BJ.
Pin differential matters at some of these matches.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's getting old.
Go
Yeah.
ahead and beat.
I can see, because that is going to be a huge miss. Like any kind of like small miss in the front,
Massive down lane.
down lane, yeah.
With the big ball?
Yeah,
Or just in general?
just in general, because they hook so much here.
He's too much in the middle. He needs to be to the right or to the left of it.
Yeah. Just hoping it'd help his ball pick up.
That's close.
Good. That's good.
Pick up.
Yeah. Shot, Taste. Good shot there, Killick.
What?
Sorry, Jace. Good job, buddy.
Get through.
No!
Come on. Trust the cage. Come on.
Come on now. Come on now. Hook, hook.
Come on, go right down, go, you're right, come on.
Oh, fast. Nice shot. Hey, great shot, Mark.
Yes, that. Hook. All right, good night, good night.
All right, right here, Taste. Come on. That's pretty good again. Like, push. There's like that spot in the middle that just healed.
Right. It's like it doesn't want to get.
Nice shot. Damn, good shot.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. Come on. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on now.
Set up.
Come on, Beach. Give it a friend.
Hook. Go. Here we go, buddy. Come on.
Play like a rug.
Go on, one good one here.
Right behind you. Come on now. Push a lot. All right. We good?
All right. Come on, trip backwards.
We good. Yeah. Yeah! All right, pressure's on them. Yeah, all right. Good shot. Golly, that was good.
Pretty good.
Damn.
Leg.
All right, Beach, come on. Good shot here.
Punch out here.
Come on, buddy. Let's go.
Just like that last one. Come on now. That's good. That's good. Yeah, baby, come on. Come on now. Come on.
Atta boy.
All you, Mark.
Yes.
Come on. Finish the job. You got this.
Mark.
All right, line it up here just like that. Oh, that's in again. Yeah! Come on now. Come on, bring it in. Bring it in. Come on. Come on now. Come on. We prayed the whole time. We prayed the whole time. Yikes!
Right.
Come on now.
Right the wave.
Oh, we're on it.
Damn.
Shit.
Team captain. Let's talk to you in a couple minutes. I'll talk to you in a couple minutes. Okay. Good night, guys.
How's it going, guys? How's it going? You guys saw us go 2-0 in the match play. Pretty solid. The scores were much lower than I thought they'd be. I thought they'd be pretty easy. And we actually ended up struggling a little bit there, but it seemed like everybody else was struggling a little more than us. I think we were almost clean with the exception of like one split across the 4 games. So made a bunch of spares, made a lot of really good shots that didn't strike. And I think that's a lot of just kind of what this center is. Sometimes you don't get matched up quite right. And it's really hard to strike when you're not matched up perfect in this building because the pins just have a hard time falling here. But 2-0 on the night, that brings us to first place in the PBA Elite League. Hopefully we can stay up top. Keep winning matches, keep throwing it good. Nick's booing us, but we don't care. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. You can catch us on the main channel the rest of the week. But until then, peace.